Hello everyone, let me show you how I created this form for free of charge using Google Form. My previous video, I explained about form, how to create different kinds of forms for free. I explained about integrating payment options within event registration forms. So this place was talking about different tools that you can use to create forms. All right, if you have watched the previous video here, you will be able to see the list of the tools that you can use to create form for free of charge. Like here, these are the tools. The first one here is Google Form. Okay, during the video, I stated that I will show us how to use this Google Form to create different kinds of forms, either for registration, for feedback, for survey, or for whatever. We can create it. So I now want to show you how you can use this Google Forms to create any kinds of form of your choice. Okay, so I have created this particular one. This one is registration form, and I use Google Form to create it 100% free. Okay, so it's going to look like this. If you share the URL of the form that you created to your website, or you share it to your website or your blog, or you share it to social media, your WhatsApp, anywhere you share it, and your client or whosoever that have access to the link see this form. Once the person click on the link, it will open like this for the person, either on laptop or on smartphone, and the person can be able to put in all these informations, full name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. Then how do you find us? The person can be able to select any of this. Okay, then passport copy. If you want to see the image of the person can equally put in his or her passport photograph. All right, after that, the person can drop a little message here, then click on submit, depending on how you want it. So I have also created contact form. This one is contact form. Okay, from here, this one I have already submitted. This one, if you click on edit response, this is how contact form look. Okay, so you can design it the way you want it. You can put it anyhow you want it, depending on what you are using it for. So this video will show you how you can successfully do this for free of charge. So I urge you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end, so that you'll be able to learn one or two from this video. So let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. Before you can achieve this, you must first of all have a Google account. If you don't know how you can get your Google account, it's very, very simple. Just open your web browser, type gmail.com. Okay, just type gmail.com. Now, on this place, you can see Gmail. All right, so if you don't have account, what you are going to do, you look for sign up here. All right, you look for sign up, and if you don't have account, you first of all see sign up here. You are seeing this one because I already have an account. Then the next thing you are going to do, you click on this sign in. Let's click on this sign in. Okay, so this place now, you need to create your account. If you don't have Google account, then you click on create account here. Okay, so once you click on create account, it will now bring you to the dashboard where you can create your account by putting your first name, your last name. Then you click on next, put your age. After putting your age, you choose the email address you want, you put your password. After that, you click submit, and Google will now get you registered. Once you finish that, you now come back to this place, search for Google Form. All right, just go to your web browser and search for Google Form. Now, this is Google Form. The next you are going to do, you click on this first link. If you are signing in, if you are using it for the first time, it will require you to sign into your Google account. After signing into your Google account, this is what you are going to see as the next step. This is the place you can create different kinds of Google Forms for free of charge. You can create as many as you want on this place. You can create sign up forms, you can create contact forms, you can create feedback forms, you can create survey forms, and so many kinds of forms for free using this method. All right, now in this place there are two ways of creating this form. First of all, you can create from scratch, or you use templates. Then to use templates, you now need to click on this template gallery. From here, you will see different kinds of templates for different usage, like for sign up, for feedback, and for survey. But if you want to start from scratch, which you now need to click on this blank form. If you click on this blank form, you will be able to see it empty. And when you see it empty, you will start fixing everything together by yourself. You start using templates, you now need to click on template gallery. As you can see, there are a lot of templates here. The first one is contact form. If you check here, this personal, this area is personal. Now, if you check here, you will see contact form, contact information, find me, find a time, ROSVP, party invite, T-shirt sign up, event registration. Then under work, you will see event feedback, order form, job application, time off request, work request, customer feedback. Under education, you will see blank quiz, you will see exit ticket, assessment, worksheet, and course evaluation. So we are going to choose from one template from here, okay? So the templates we are going to choose here, we are going to start with contact form, which is contact information. Now, to use it, you click on that particular one. You now select that particular one you want by clicking on it. So we have selected contact form. So this contact form, we all know what contact form is all about. You use it to allow your users or your client to get in touch with you. All right, that is the meaning of contact form. That is how you use contact form. So here you can make your own design. You can redesign this place to look so beautiful the way you want it, okay? Now, if you want to change here, you can write something here, okay? You can write something here, contact us, okay? You can just change something here, contact phone, all right? Now, the next thing you are going to do, this is the title of this form, okay? So the next thing you are going to do, you can put description here, okay? You can put description. That description is, you can give a instruction by saying, fill this form correctly, all right? So this is the instruction here. So what are the things that you required the user or your client to fill in with? You require their names. So this name is okay, you leave it. Okay. Now the second one is Gmail, their email account, their email address, and their home address. You can just put something like social media account. You can just put social media. Okay, so from here now, they need to put their social media account link, something like that. So under phone number, you leave it like that. Then comment if they need something to attach to the form. This is where they are going to put it. Okay, so in this place, there are other things that you need to put in place. If there is any option here that you need it to be compulsory or to be optional, this is where you can do it. If you click on this place, if you click here now, okay, you will see this required. If you don't want them to put something like this, if you want them to see it as an option, you can turn it off. Or if you want them to see it as a required option, that is a must, whereby they will not be able to fill that place without, they will not be able to submit this form without filling that place. Okay, so if you want something like that, you make it required. If you make it required, there is no how this form will be submitted, leaving this particular one blank, leaving this one empty without filling it. So you make it required. All right. Now you can give them the opportunity of giving long answer or short answer. It depends on you. Okay. So in this place, you can as well redesign this area. Okay. You can redesign it by adding some images and other things on this area. You can also go ahead to input more options here by duplicating this place. If you duplicate this one, you give it another title. All right, then you can start putting your phone together. So if you want to view this phone and see how the phone will look, or you want to change this background, this particular background that you are seeing this cursor hovering on, you can click on this place. Okay, if you click on this place, you can change the the font name, change the font size, and change the header name. All these are fonts. You can change all the fonts. Then this is the header image. You can change the color from green to blue. You can put it blue like this one now. So this image here, we can change it by clicking on image upload. So you can as well select the dim images here already made here. You can select any of these, or you upload from your own system, or you upload from your own image. Okay, so you can select any of your images here and upload it. Like for example, we can use something like this. Okay, this one, we selected this one, then you insert it. This is how it's going to look like. So you can adjust it like this, then you click done. So if you click done, automatically this place will be changed. All right, just watch and see. It will be changed. This is how the font will look like. Now if you want to view, see how this font will look like, or you can change the font size, the font color here, or the font name. You can change the font here. All right, this is the text font, this is the header font. You can change any of this here. All right, but there is no need of changing it. It's okay. So to view it, you click on this preview. So this is how it will appear on your user's screen. All right, your clients, your customers, or whoever that you make this font for. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, so to make it ready for people to start using, you now go ahead and click on publish. Okay, so once you click on publish, you will be able to copy out the link, because the Google will generate a link for you. So if you click on publish here now, but before you click on publish, you make sure you manage it. You click on manage to make sure you put it everyone. Okay, do not restrict it to some certain people. Okay, you can it's not proper you restrict it. Okay, so just make the accessible, make it everyone. All right, now come to this place. Okay, then choose anyone with the link. Okay, if you choose anyone with the link, it means anyone that have access with the link can be able to access the the phone. All right, now if you want them to make any changes, you can then put it on anyone with the link. But if you don't want them to make any changes, then you have to restrict it. Okay, so restricting it means no one can have access to change anything on this phone. This phone that you have already published, no one is allowed to make any changes on it. But this area, this second one, it will allow anyone with the link to submit this form, or to see this form on his or her device and put in the informations without changing anything. All right, this one is for editing, making a change on the form. This one is allowing people to put their to put their information on it. Then once you are done with that, you click on done. Okay, so after that, you now click on publish. If you click on publish, you automatically get a link. This link is what you are going to use to put in your bio, or to put in your website, or to put in anywhere that you want to get your traffic. All right, so you cannot use this long URL. So the next thing you are going to do, you click on this shorten URL. If you click on that, this long URL is going to be shortened automatic. Now you have to copy the link. Okay, so we are going to test this Google font to see how it will look. For example, I have this Google font on my someone just sent this Google font to me. All right, so I now have to open it. So if you open the link that someone sent to you, or the link that the person sent to you, this is how it's going to look like. You have auto save your work. This is how it's going to look like. All right, now I'm the user. I cannot be able to fill in all these informations. Okay, so once I finish entering all these informations, then I have to submit. All right, so let's see how it's going to look like if we submit this form. All right, so let's just submit this form now, so that you will see how it looks like. All right, this is name, this is email address. Let's say so social, we can put something like this. Then phone number, we can put something like this. Okay, then comment, we can put comment here. All right, this is the comment. All right, so after putting all this information as a client, then you click submit. So once once the fund is submitted, this is the notification that the client will receive. Now let's see how you that created the fund, the kind of thing that the feedback we are going to get once a client submit his or her fund. All right, so let's go back here. This is that fund that we created. Okay, so to check if there is a response from, or if there is any form submitted by anyone, you now have to click on this form that you created. Okay, then you go to response. Okay, sometimes you will see the number of forms submitted here. Okay, once you open it, you will see a number of forms submitted. As you can see, we have only one form submitted, this particular one here that we submitted. Okay, so you will now see that there is a form submitted that you need to give response. So you click on this response. All right, so this is the information of the person that submitted this form. Okay, these are the information. The person have already submitted everything that you requested. This is the full name, this is the email address, this is the social account, this is the phone number, and this is the response, the comment. Okay, so you can respond to this person by clicking on this place. Okay, you can respond to this person by either you copy the person's email address, which is this email address, you copy it. Okay, so once you copy it, you go back to your mail account. From here you can send the person your email or respond to the person. Okay, now to save all these things, maybe you are receiving 50 contact submissions, or you are receiving 50 feedback from your clients, and you need to save all these things. You need to put it in one place. You can connect it to Google Sheet. All right, if you connect it to Google Sheet will now arrange everything for you. All right, the emails, the phone numbers, the full names, and others, you will now assemble everything in one place by linking it to Google Sheet. This is how you can create contact form using Google Form for free of charge. So we are going to, like I said, we use template to do this particular one. We are going to create another one from scratch. Okay, so to create another one from scratch, you click on this blank form. This place you see Google Plus. So you give your phone a title. All right, so let's give it a title, something like registration form. Let's give it something like registration. Registration. Registration, okay. Now we have given it a title, which is registration. Okay, so you give an instruction. Please fee accordingly. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, we can input our request here. Okay, so you can come here. This place is where you can insert whatever thing that you want to use for this form. This one is to add session. If you want to add session, you click on this one. If you want to add image or video, you click on this one. If you want your client to add image, you click this one. If you want text, that is description, you click this one. To import something or to add another question, you input this one. So this particular one now, we are going to select something like full name. Let's put something like full name. All right, so you come back here, you select how you want it to be. This is just okay, just short answer. Full name is required. Okay, either you duplicate from here or you click on add another question. Okay, If you click on this plus sign, you will add another question. Then email. All right. So this one also has simple question. You put it required. Then you click on add question. You can add something like phone. All right. You make it required. Okay. Then you go ahead to click on add question, username, something like that, or just date. Okay, date of birth. You can put date of birth. All right, date of birth. All right, now how do you put this one? This one is about date. All right, so you now need to select date. This is date. Okay, dates have been inserted. You make it required. Then you select another one. How do you find us? How do you find us? Now, this one requires multiple choice. Number one, Facebook. Okay. Then you add another one. Number two, or okay, number two, YouTube. Then number three, Instagram. All right. Then you put order. Okay. So you make it required. Then to put another question or to drop your feedback, write your feedback, or you can just put write. All right. So this place requires short answer or paragraph. Okay. You make it paragraph and put it required. Now, if you want to add image, okay, if you want to add image, you can click here and add passport. Passport. It depends on what you are designing or what you are working with. This is just an example. Passport photo or passport copy. Okay, so this place now you have to select image. You look for file upload. Okay, so continue. Now this one will allow the person to upload image here. Okay, allow only specified file. No, so this one is okay like this. Then you put it required. Okay, you can drag this one, put it up. Okay, so that this one will be done. Now the next thing you are going to do, depending on what you are designing, you can click view. So this is how it will appear to your client or to your customer. Okay, it will appear like this. This one you created this from scratch. Now, if the person want to upload his or her passport here, the person will click on add file. If the person click on add file, it will lead the person to this place where the person can browse, then upload from file manager, from photo, or from wherever. Okay, so it's very, very simple. After doing that, you click on publish. Okay, you click on publish. If you click on publish, the same way you used to share the file, the same way you used to share the link, you follow the same way so that people will use it and get in touch with you. All right, now we have published it. A code or a link will be generated for us. This link is very long. We'll make it short. All right, by clicking in this place. Now the link is short. Okay, so you can use this link and share it to anywhere you want. If you share the link, someone will click on the link and the form will come out for the person to fill. This is how it will appear. All right, so if you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, you can create a lot of forms depending on what you want, on how you are using it. You can create different types of forms. Okay, remember here you can as well change, you can as well add a customized heading, a customized theme here by choosing an image. Okay, you can put an image here, something like this, or you upload from your file, from your system. Okay, this is how it looks like. Then you can put something like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then you click done. It will now show at the head of this place here. All right, so this is how it will look. Then you click publish again, click save. If you refresh here, okay, you refresh it, then it will appear. Have you seen how it looks like? So this is how you can create different kinds of forms using Google Form, all for free of charge. Any kinds of form that you want, you can select templates or you start it from scratch. If you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on my Facebook and subscribe to this website. Okay, this is my website. I publish updates on how you can learn WordPress for free of charge and digital skill. If you check on my categories here, you will see a lot of topic that I covered here. This is the category. If you check on the category, you will see accessories. This place covers a lot of accessories, again, such as gadgets for your content creation and for your office and for other things. This is all about accessories, all about gadgets. Then this one is digital skills. This place covers everything that you need to know. If you are someone that wants to acquire skills online, want to acquire digital skills, want to make money online, this place will give you all the resources and the platforms and the means that you can acquire digital skill for free of charge. If you want product review, the latest product, the cheapest product, the quality product that you can buy for your office, for your content, this place covers its resources. This place always give updates about new things that you can achieve for free, like copy on code and other things. All right. You can also have access for personal class or for personal training. Then tech skills, tech tutorial. This place covers about everything concerning tech, AI, and others. Then WordPress tutorial. This place is talking about WordPress design, a beginners friendly way of designing websites, how you can become a web designer using WordPress from scratch. This place have covered almost the things you need to know about WordPress. So it will be good to subscribe to this website, because if you do, it will help you to be getting updates anytime I publish any new article. All right. For example, if you check, as of the time of recording this video, we have this content here. We have this post already published today. This is free Udemy Android courses. If you want to learn how to develop app, if you want to learn how to develop Android app, this place will cover you. This place will give you the free resources, the free tutorials on how you can start building Android applications for free of charge. And the courses, you are going to learn it from Udemy. Okay, you are learning it from Udemy. If you check on Udemy, courses is not free, it's paid. But here you can have the free access to learn it for free. Okay, if you click on this place, enroll for free, you will be able to enroll for this course for free of charge. Instead of paying, you are learning it for free. All right, just check here. If you see, you will notice that the course is 100% free. Okay, if you check here, the course is free. You don't need to pay. Okay, but if you check this Udemy in another platform, okay, if you check it in another platform without using the link, let's say Udemy. If you go to Udemy, if you just search for udemy.com, let's see how it will be. Okay, this is udemy.com. It's loading. Now, once it finishes loading, I'm going to show you one thing. I'm going to show you the reason why you need to be coming to this website to check if there is new thing that you can benefit with. All right, so let's search for this same Udemy course here. You see this particular one that you see for free here. Let's search it in another place. So let's search for the course here. You are not going to see it for free. Okay, you are not going to see it for free, but if you use it from our website, you are going to see it for free. Have you seen how much you can spend to learn that particular skill? Have you seen? You have to spend $10. This one is $17. This one is $10. Have you seen? But if you use this link from here, if you use from here, you are going to learn it for free. All right? You enroll for the course for free. If you click enroll now, you'll be able to enroll for this course 100% free. Just watch out. Now let's enter our email address. All right, this is our email address. Then you click continue. They are going to send a code, okay, the confirmation code. Once the code arrives, you can now use the code to access our account. Okay, let's just get the one-time OTP. Now this is the code 66. Okay, so after getting the code, you click login. Now you will see that we will register for this course for free of charge. Okay, just watch out. Have you seen it? We have registered for this course for 100% free. Instead of paying this amount, we have the course for free of charge. We can start learning the course here. If we still have more, if you scroll down, this is another course. This one is Angular JS for beginners. Okay, this one is game development crash course. And if you scroll down, this one is learn Android 04, Android 4.0 programming in Java. And this one is Android build voting app using CMS. If you scroll down, this one is Android Fundamental Ultimate Tutorial for application for app development. This one is Android Material Design Slider Style, and this one here is Learn Flutter Beginner Courses. Beginner course. If you click on this one here, okay, it will still bring you down to this place, and it's free of charge. You will see enroll for free. But if you check this same course on their official website, you are going to pay for this course. But here you are learning it for free. So that is the reason why it's good that you need to be visiting this website. And when you see something like this, you just go ahead to click on this place, put your email address, then click on subscribe. Okay, if you click on subscribe, you will be automatically have access for all this. You will automatically have access to the premium or to the membership benefit. Okay, so we have already subscribed for this one. We cannot subscribe 2 times. Okay, so these are the ways you can benefit from this website. All right, always visit this website so that you can get informations and learn more about tech and WordPress website design. All right, so if you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.